Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can know if someone has Snapchat Plus, okay, on his Snapchat account. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So there's like a subtle way where you can know if you have, if someone has a Snapchat Plus or not. And it's basically a badge, okay. And the problem with that is that the badge, you're the one who chooses, to show it or not. So let's say if I go onto the AI. And as you can see, it doesn't show anything if I go onto my friend over here. It doesn't show that he has Snapchat Plus if I go onto my friend again here. Again, nothing that can show me that he has a Snapchat Plus or not. So how we can know is that actually with this badge. As you can see, this star, this is basically the Snapchat Plus star. This is a badge that you can turn on in the Snapchat Plus features. As you can see, Snapchat Plus badge. And if anyone has this right beside his name, that means he has Snapchat Plus. Now, if he doesn't have it, now there are two ways. There's a possibility. There's a possibility that he doesn't have. There's a possibility that he doesn't have Snapchat Plus, or he actually did close the badge. But there's actually, if you see the features, the features that you can see on the features that you can see that you can get from Snapchat Plus, you can you can see it. Basically, you're going to know if you have Snapchat Plus if you see the features. Now, the number one way that you can know if he has a Snapchat Plus or not is basically Snapchat wallpapers. Okay, where you can where you can have a different wallpaper while you're chatting. This is basically this is the biggest give off that he has Snapchat Plus. Other than that, these are the two most important ways that you can know from if someone has Snapchat Plus or not. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.